Now it's time to color this character in, and it's a very good time to save. It's important to save your file because 3D software frequently crashes. To do that, go to File in the top left corner and click on Save As. Next, I'm going to add some color to my character. I'm going to start with the body. To add color, I'm going to select the geometry of the body and come over to the menu on the right-hand side of the screen. I'm going to find the Materials property icon, click on it, and I'm going to find that there is no material on this shape. To add a material, you click on the New button, Add New Material. When you do that, Material 1 will appear. I'm going to give my character a blue color, and I'm going to find that nothing changes in the viewport. This is because the viewport display is currently on solid. I'm going to change it to Material Preview by clicking here. Now I can see the blue color of my t-shirt. It's important to label things in any 3D software because, as you can see, the 3D software just simply adds numbers to everything and it very quickly gets confusing. So for material, instead of calling this material 001, I'm going to change the name by clicking here or by double clicking here to t-shirt. I'm going to hit the enter key, and now that color is called t-shirt, and it will appear in a little menu here. Next, I'm going to click on the leg. I'm going to come to the right-hand menu, click on Material Properties, and I'm going to make a new material. This color is going to be dark blue. And as you can see, it's now appearing in the viewport because our viewport is on the correct setting. And I'm going to call the material, this time I'll double click on it, Jeans, and I'm going to hit enter. And as you can see in the menu, Jeans is now here in the color menu. I'm now going to color the head in. Now the head already has a material on it because it is the original default cube that was here in Blender when we started a new project. I'm going to rename it Skin, and my man, I'm going to give him a peachy colored complexion. As you'll see, Skin is now in the menu with jeans and t-shirt. Next, I'm going to color in the arms and the other leg. Now the other leg, we don't need to make a new color. And that's because in the color menu, we already have the color for jeans. So by selecting this, it will appear here in the menu and it will apply to the other leg, which you can see over here. I'm going to do the same with the arms. I'm not going to make a new material. I'm going to click on here and click on the t-shirt color. Now it'll apply to that one. I'm going to do the same with the second arm. I'm going to click in the menu here and select t-shirt. Now our Minecraft character has a head, skin color, t-shirt color, and jeans color.